present simple tense. Boys and girls go to school every day. They write sentences every lesson.
Every morning, I drink tea and eat pancakes. My older brother eats only cornflakes. My sister drinks only milk.
Attention! Если ты говоришь об одном человеке или животном, то к глаголу необходимо прибавить окончание «s». He plays computer games only at weekends. She swims in the pool every Friday. It sleeps every day. We use present simple to say what you do every day. Describe your habits and the facts. My mom works in the supermarket. I have a cat at home. The sun rises in the east. My brother reads a book every evening. Now you try. She up at 7 o'clock. She gets up at 7 o'clock. My teacher to school every day. My teacher goes to school every day. My grandpa in the post office. My grandpa works in the post office. How to make a question? Ты используешь вспомогательный глагол do в вопросе, когда обращаешься к we, you, they, I. Ты используешь вспомогательный глагол does в вопросе, когда обращаешься к he, she, it. Does your grandpa work in the post office? Does your teacher go to school every day? Does she get up at 7 o'clock? Do you have a cat? Do they like museums? Do we go to the cinema? Do you have a cat? Yes, I do. Do they like museums? No, they don't. Do we go to the cinema? Yes, we do. I like. You like. We like. They like. She likes. He likes. Cat likes. Dog likes.